We all use cars to get to and from places and often communicate with others on our trips and journeys. But do we ever actually sit down and think of how communication we use to make the vehicle in the first place? I drive places with family members and friends all the time, as many people do. And like many people, I just see cars as a mode of transportation. I have worked on them before though, so I know that communication is vital in the building process of one. Certain parts of communication, such as listening and communicating effectively with others, are very important in the automotive industry. Let's first talk about why listening is crucial to working in a factory environment. There are many reasons that listening is important in the workplace. First off, it helps to avoid dangerous situations and accidents which could prove to be fatal or injure someone. Since factories are largely relying on technology nowadays, robotic components can cause many dangerous accidents, such as crushing due to moving parts, high voltage shocks, or extreme heat exposure. According to Atlantic Environmental Incorporated, 90% of factory accidents are due to human error. Using data provided by CareerTrends.com, of the top 4 things that cause accidents in a factory, 3 of them, adding up to about 35% of all accidents, are caused by miscommunication and not listening effectively. If something goes wrong, it also helps because you can become aware to the issue. It can also help prevent injury of others if you hear them yelling for help due to an issue. Now that we've covered listening, let's touch up on the other end, which is communication. Importance of communication in the factory is immense. Once again, it helps prevent accidents and ensures the safety of others around you. To get the task done and make sure the car gets finished, you need to communicate effectively. It also helps to alert others of any errors that may have been made along the production line, such as an improperly installed part. It helps to make sure that others are aware of any changes to procedures or parts to the vehicle. It can help efficiency and also helps improve the whole entire work atmosphere. Not only do the factory workers need to communicate with one another, they have to communicate with the people in charge also. That's why it's important that higher-ups in factory workers communicate effectively. In the case of a recall, it can help with many things. First off, it helps prevent further manufacturing of that part. It helps prevent almost completed or already completed vehicles equipped with that part from leaving the factory and reaching the consumers. And lastly, it helps the workers fix that part and make sure that they are producing safe products. It can give them a green light to begin manufacturing if they're awaiting test results, such as a crash test. And they can also bring up awareness to supervisors of unsafe conditions or practices in their workplace. And also, it can help both parties avoid legal troubles in the future. We learned that parts of communication, like listening and effective communication between you and others, are key in the automotive industry. Next time you are talking to someone in the car, take a moment and think about how that right there helped make the car in the first place. With the information I provided you with today, I hope it shows you that not only the importance of communication when it comes to automotives, but that it's important in all fields. Thank you.